I'm just taking your diaper off. Aww. Daddy's got the light in my eyes. Oh, you can turn off the light.
That better, honey?
That's a lot of pee-pee. Excuse me. You got it right.
I don't know there.
The light's still on.
What's that?
Yeah, it is.
What's that?
Yeah, the light is still on.
What's that?
Uh-huh. Good morning, Laura. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? You're very kicky this morning. We're putting on Mora's size 3 diapers. She grew out of the newborn diapers. She's going to be 12 weeks old tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep? We went out to IKEA last night. Bought you a toy chest. Yeah. You already have a lot of toys. So now we have some place to put them. You want to stop by your grandparents? Obviously your Illinois grandparents.
Yeah, me.
Yeah, good girl. Good morning, honey. Too many snaps. You wanna go have some breast milk? You wanna go eat? Are you a hungry girl? You want some milk? Yeah.
Ready to eat?
Ready? Gonna go have some food? No, big yawn. Gonna go? Let's go. Okay, come on.